Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making delicious spaghetti, grilled ham, sausage, and cheese sandwiches. So let's get started. Yeah, to make our delicious spaghetti, grilled ham, sausage, and cheese sandwiches, we have 2 slices of smoked ham here, and we have 4 slices of American cheese. Yep. And over here we have 2 sausage links that we cut up lengthwise. Now they're Oscar Mayer Smokies, and they taste like smoked sausage, so they're good. And back here we have 4 slices of white bread. And over here we have our marinara sauce, yeah, that we're going to put on top of our spaghetti. And back here we have a 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese. And here we have our star of the show, our spaghetti. Yeah, it's about a 1/4 pound of spaghetti. We probably won't use all that, but we'll give it our best shot. Yeah. Okay, let's put this aside for now. I'm going to go ahead and put this aside. Okay, now we're going to set our burner to medium-low, and we're going to put a little bit of oil in the pan, and we're going to let that heat up just a little bit. Okay, now we're going to take our little smokies, you know, the sausage we cut in strips, and we're going to put that right in there, just like that. And we'll stir them around a little. Okay, we'll let them cook a little bit, and we'll flip them over. Okay, let's see how we're doing here. Okay, they're starting to look pretty good. All right. Okay, let's put them to the side because they look pretty good. Now we're going to go ahead and take our ham and we're going to put them in there. Okay, now all we have to do is like warm them up good because they're already cooked. Okay, our ham's about done. Let's get that out of there. Put that on a plate. Okay, there you go. Can you see it? Yeah. Okay, now let's get these out of here because they're almost done. Okay, they're done. Let's get them out. Okay, boy, don't they look good? Yeah, this is going to be a big sandwich, I just know it. Yeah, okay, let's go ahead and put these aside for now, and we'll get ready to build our sandwich. Okay, let's take 1 slice of bread, and we'll put a little butter on it. Put that right in there. And we'll take another slice, and we'll put some butter on that. Put that in there. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and take 1 piece of cheese, and we'll put that right on there. Just like that on both. Then we'll go ahead and take our piece of ham and we'll put that on top. Okay. Then we're going to take our spaghetti. Yeah. And we're going to try to get as much of that on there as we can. You know, it's going to be quite a bit. So let's just go for that right there. Look at that. And we'll go for another pile on this one. Now that's pre-made spaghetti. We made it yesterday and it was cold in the refrigerator, but it remained separate, so it's good. Don't use hot spaghetti on here. It'll run all over the place. Now we're going to take our marinara sauce, yep, and we're going to put some of that on there with all that good seasonings and everything that are in there with the tomatoes. Yep. Put enough of that on there. Wow, these are going to be big sandwiches. Yeah. What else is new, right? Everything I make's huge. Alright, we might be able to flip these when we're done, I don't know. Okay, now we're going to take our smoked sausages and we're going to put some of them on there. Yeah, let's go ahead and do it. Put as many of them on there as we can. Boy, they're going to be hanging out all over the place, but that's okay. They're going to taste good. Okay. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take our mozzarella cheese, yeah, and we're going to put that on top. Wow, these are huge. Okay, now we're going to take our American cheese and we're going to put that on top of them. Just like that. And try to hold everything together. Okay. Now we're going to take our slice of bread and we're going to put a little butter on top. And we're going to put that right on top of there. I wish you could see this because it's huge. And we're going to put a little butter on this slice. Okay. And we're going to put that on top of there. Okay, now what I like to do is I like to put a little garlic powder on top of my bread and the butter. That way when you flip it, it tastes like garlic bread. And we'll do the same to the other side when we flip it. Sometimes I put a little parsley flakes on top. Make it look nice. Okay, let's see if we can flip these because they're huge. Alright, we're going to have to use our hand to do it because they're so big. Okay, let's do it. Okay, they look pretty good. Okay, let's put a little garlic powder on there and a little bit of parsley flakes. Okay. Boy, are they smelling good. And they are big. Yeah. I wish you could see the size of them because it's going to be messy, but it's going to be tasty. Yeah, that's good. Boy, they look to be done. Let's shut off our burner. And let's get them out of there. Okay, let's put this one on a cutting board. Wow, look at that. Can you see it? Yeah. All right, let's get the other one. Okay. Boy, don't they look good? Look at the spaghetti on that one. It's just loaded with spaghetti. Okay, guys. Let's go ahead and see how these taste because they smell unbelievably good. Yeah. All right, let's put them aside and we'll have a taste test. Yeah, let's do that. Whoop. Got some spaghetti there. As you can see, nothing stuck to the pan. It just comes right off. Yep. Now all you have to do is put a little oil in the pan, wipe it out, and you're good to go for the next time. Well, here they are, guys, our delicious spaghetti grilled ham, sausage, and cheese sandwiches. Boy, don't they look good? Yeah, and they're big. Yeah, they got a lot on them. I don't know if we're going to be able to pick them up afterwards, but I bet you they're going to taste good. Yeah. All right, let's go ahead and have a bite because these smell really good. I can't wait to get into one. All right, let's do it. All right, let's cut this one right in half. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and pick this up and have a taste test. I bet you this is going to taste really, really good. Alright, let's do it. Okay, here we go. Look at that. Look at the cheese in there and all that good stuff. And the ham and the sausage. Okay, let's just go ahead and have a bite. Wow. Is that tasty? Boy, that cheese with the mozzarella cheese and the American cheese and the spaghetti. Yeah. Not to mention the marinara sauce that's in there. I know it don't look like there's a lot of marinara, but this is a big sandwich. And boy, is it tasty. You're going to love these. Boy, are they really tasty. Okay, just go ahead and make them this way, you know, with leftover spaghetti if you have it. And make sure it's cold spaghetti when you put it in the pan, otherwise you won't be able to keep it together while you're frying it up, you know. And just add your marinara sauce, your sausage, your ham, and plenty of cheese. Yeah. And we actually buttered the toast and put a little bit of garlic powder on the outside so it tastes like garlic bread on the outside. Yep. Sprinkled it with parsley flakes. Yeah. You can't beat this. Alright guys, you know what'll go good with this right here? You guessed it. A nice, cold wobble pop. Yeah. Okay guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Spaghetti grilled ham, sausage, and cheese sandwiches. Boy, are they good.